Thou shalt not seethe a kid in his mother's milk. Looking at the context of the surrounding text, when it is given each of the three times, Exodus 23:19, Exodus 34:26, and Deuteronomy 14:21, it is speaking of bringing the tithe. It is not to be taken literally as a food law command about boiling a newborn lamb in the milk of its mother. It is an idiom, similar to don't count your chickens before they are hatched. So if we look at the metaphoric, figurative meaning of each word, which can be found on Blue Letter Bible, the idiom can be rendered, thou shalt not seethe or ripen, the kid, cropping the herbage, mother, parting, milk, the abundance of the land. The easiest one to understand on its face is milk, as in a land flowing with milk and honey. We would not think there's actual milk flowing over the land, but in its figurative meaning, there's an abundance of good things in the land. So it can be translated as, thou shalt not ripen the harvest or the first fruits, which is the context, cropping the herbage, parting the abundance of the land. Put another way, don't rush the first fruits at the expense of the entire harvest. Meaning that when the first bloom appears on the tree, which will eventually turn into the fruit, if one prunes the other branches, the tree will put all its efforts into that one fruit. The person will have the most amazing first fruits, or tithe, but at the expense of the rest of the tree, giving a terrible harvest since all the other limbs were pruned. Taken as translated, it also makes sense in the same idiomatic way. To kill a newborn kid is to get a meal's worth of meat for one person, but letting the kid grow could provide for a family for multiple days.